Hey, Craig Ballantyne about to shave my head for charity, all right? There's gonna be so many marketing lessons in this. The reason why, the differentiation, the big idea, all right? It's gonna be so much fun, and I'm gonna get you involved. It's also about infotainment, not just education, but being informative while entertaining people, all right? So let's go along for the ride and get rid of this silly crisis hair and this crisis beard, get down to business, and raise some money for projecthope.org, all right?
This is evil Craig Ballantyne. Don't get this book, okay? No, stay anxious. Don't get this book. Don't hustle, all right? Don't get this book either. Stay in bed, sleep in, get drunk. And don't get this one. Don't do any planning for the week. I'm not actually evil Craig Ballantyne. I'm actually regular Craig Ballantyne. I want to know where you're calling in on the Shave Your Head with Craig show. Matthew Smith is watching. Matthew, let me know if we're right side up, upside down here. All right, so we're about to get it on here and shave my head for charity. All right, so now I'm going to shave this part. All right, so we're going to go handlebar mustache first. That's definitely what we need there, all right? All right, let me film a book promo, because Jeremy Sloan is in the house. Thank you for being here, brother. I'm sure my mom is going to be watching, but Suzanne from Atlanta, Michelle is about to shave my head, so...
Do you want to go live on Instagram too?
Oh yeah, on Instagram too. So we're going to get this all going. It's going to be real quick, real short. I'm going to make an ad right now. All right. Hey, listen, I'm a motorcycle rider and I love the Perfect Week formula. Swipe up right now and get a free copy. We are going live here on Instagram as well, and honey, if you want to put that thing on and just shave my mohawk, that would be a good thing to start. This is going to be amazing. I've never had my head shaved. I just had $20,000 worth of hair transplants done, and now I'm shaving it off. We've raised $11,000. We were aiming for $5,000. Thanks to people like you, we got to $5,000 really quick. Now we're at $11,000. Hey, there you guys are too. What do you think? Should I just stop here? Should I just stop with the handlebar mustache? I mean, I could just stop. My mom is now watching, so this is officially real. Look at this. It's so pro. We're going to go full on with the mohawk. Okay, so we've never done this before. Here we go. I'm very excited to get rid of this.
You gotta stay still though.
Yeah, but I should probably show you. Just so they know it's really happening. I do look like the cop in the Village People. Thank you. Look at all these people joining in to make fun of me. Again, I'm shaving off $20,000 worth of hair transplants here, so look at that. Fantastic. So, again, the project that we're doing this for is called projecthope.org. It is a charity for global healthcare workers. It was very difficult. You guys are very picky. My mom was giving me a hard time that the charity was for Americans. It's not just for Americans, it's for global healthcare workers. And it's not that I don't like Americans, of course, but I wanted to make sure it was for a global audience because we have global people watching. We have people from Luxembourg. Giovanni just joined in from Luxembourg. That's amazing. We have Toronto in here. My sister's mocking me. That's good. We have people from the UK over on Instagram joining in. I'm happy to take your questions about anything. We are in Vancouver, Canada right now. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Hopefully I'm providing some hilariousness to you. We got Bruno in Mexico. We got Greg Kennedy in Scotland. Great to have you on here. Again, we have a GoFundMe account. The link is over on our Facebook. We have Spain. We have South Africa joining in. Okay, I'm leaning back, lean back, lean back. And we're getting very close to Mohawk. We got Jane. We want the frosted tips on here. Well, maybe Matthew could do that. Do you guys see my one gray hair? I have one gray hair right there. Keep this, Matt. Keep this. We're almost, I don't really...
We're not keeping that.
The hair is growing in good. So again, folks, not only are we donating $11,000 to charity, but we're shaving off $20,000 worth of transplanted hair, which, so I got the hair transplant to not look bald so that I could shave my head bald. It sounds like a Seinfeld episode. Your friend Kate asked who's the cute girl cutting my hair.
Oh, Kate's on there?
Yeah, Kate's on here. We got Silicon Valley coming in. The country of Silicon Valley is here. There's the mohawk.
It's coming. It's not as easy as it looks to do. You're like trying to stay in line.
Everybody take a screenshot of this right now, okay? Everybody.
Some product in it though to make it like spiky.
Not skin cream?
No, not skin cream.
There you go, folks. Enjoy this. This is what you've been waiting for ever since the Turbulence training days.
It needs to be a bit shorter.
This is my boy band hair. Hit me, baby, one more time. Are we done? Are we done, people? Should we just stop here? Ricky, you licking the handlebars? Jason Dunseith would like that.
You kind of look like a rock star with this.
You know, I think
you should maybe start a band.
Yeah, it's time to get down to the mustache. So let's stop with the hair and go down to the mustache. We're gonna go to the mustache level now. Again, remember,
This is evil, Craig Ballantyne. Don't wake up early. Get drunk. Smoke weed. Don't get this book and get a lot done.
time to go down. Yeah, modern day Sam Elliott. I really think this looks good.
I mean...
Would anybody donate $5,000 to stop here? Oh, so somebody said I had to go, first we have to go to 70s porn star before we go full mustache. I've never watched any of that stuff, so I don't know exactly what they mean by that.
You're too young for that.
What do you guys think of that? This is actually 70s cop. 70s cop for sure. I'm clearly an undercover narc right now. So we are going to go to Tom Selleck next, the Tom Selleck level.
Look at the Instagram too.
Tom Selleck level here.
The Instagrams.
So if you ever wondered where Tom Selleck disappeared to, it's right here. How are you? Huh? Do you trust me? Who wouldn't trust a guy like this? Okay, so now, this is the moment of truth. The moment when all the hair gets shaved off. So Charlene is having nothing of it and she wants to keep going. Would you guys vote for me? If you're from Canada, would you vote for me over Justin Trudeau? All right, let's go back to all of this. We got Tom Selleck in the house. All right, here it goes. Thank you everybody for being here. Linda, can you drop in the Instagram comments the GoFundMe link? I'd love that. Even if anybody can put $5 in there, it's going to projecthope.org, and projecthope.org is a global healthcare organization, so they buy the masks and stuff. I'm gonna need a mask for my mustache. Actually, mustaches are, according to my inside scoop, mustaches prevent the spread of all diseases, so just have a mustache. But seriously...
Can you stop moving your head so much?
No. Everybody from your $5 donations up to the $1,000 donations, thank you, thank you, thank you. We are gonna cut the top a lot shorter, Karen. And you know what, this stuff, look at me, this stuff is gonna grow back in like 2 weeks and we'll be able to do this and raise some money for another group of people. So, hey, we're gonna have some fun with it. My mom was really worried, like, what if it doesn't grow back? Would I get my money back from my hair transplant? Oh my God, I'm actually regretting this. No, I'm not regretting this. Thank you.
Stop moving or you're gonna regret it more.
You know, it's way more fun to cut the hair than to get it implanted into your head. Wow. I see a little silhouette of a man, Scaramouche, Scaramouche, can you do the fandango? Thunderbolts of lightning, very, very frightening. Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia. We are the champions, my friends. And we'll keep on fighting to the end. You'll be a champion if you go get this book, Commercial Interruption, at freeperfectdaybook.com. All right, so we are the... Actually, I'm just down... I should be very careful, Michelle, because we're just down the street from Davie Street here in Vancouver, where this look would go over very well, and Michelle would have to be my personal productions. Yes, so we're almost done. I think the big lessons here for all of us are, one, if you want to do something, have fun with it. Have fun with it. We don't need more boring charity fundraisers. We need people having fun. So we got a reason why for you to get involved, because anybody could have donated to these charities before, but nobody donated it until I gave you a reason why. And then we also tied in a reason why. And the cool thing is I leverage everything I do. Like, I could have just cut my hair. Because I needed a haircut. I could have just shaved my beard off, but why not have some fun with it? Why not get you involved? The courageous, hardly courageous at all, but thank you, Giovanni, I appreciate it. We got Brittany Williams from down in Southern Carolina, whose husband, Daniel Woodrum, actually inspired me to do this. So he raised a whole bunch of money, and you know what? If you can do something to entertain people in this day and age, and if you can do something to do some good in this day and age, by all means, because we should all be feeling like an 11 out of 10 every single day. So the boss has spoken. Tom Selleck is going to go into retirement here. Brandon down in Australia, great to have you. Alan Belcher, thank you for joining in. Appreciate you guys. So again, we posted the link to the GoFundMe. If you throw $5 in, really appreciate it. If you throw $1,000 in, probably appreciate it a little bit more. So anyways, really, really love you guys. There's no joking around when it comes to a mustache, so here we go. Yeah, thank goodness. I really should have left that. It looks so much better with it. But so I looked about 55 before. How old do I look right now? Huh? So I look 45. Oh, thank you, Matt. I really would like to have looked a little younger. I do have the one gray hair somewhere in there.
Nah, we shaved it off.
Yes, now you guys need to see my ID. There you go. So we're now auctioning off this. If you would like a Brillo pad for $100, we will send this to you in the mail. My mom says better. Yeah. All right, my dog probably wants to eat this, so that's it. So we want to give a shout out to Prep Studio here in Vancouver for letting us use their location. So sad. This is my first haircut ever, so I'll keep some of this. But anyways, thank you everybody for being here. Hope you've enjoyed this 20-minute break in your day. And now y'all have to go back to work. All right, so thank you very much. If I can help you with anything else, let me know down below in the comments. All right, bye guys. Thanks for being here. We really, really love you. You've had enough of me, I'm sure.